Immortal Music Productions 2015. Still kicking that real shit. Back again. Every day, in every way, every day, every day, man, new situation, feels like problems, investigation, stuck in this war zone, gotta get through to the rap heads and the DJs, what's new, used to write raps with the DF crew, we're all the same people, but times do change too, always following dreams, read through scenes, figuring out things.
Simplicity. Mastermind. Genius of insanity. Collaboration. Simplicity.
Every day, every way,
Every way,
every day,
every day,
in every way,
every way,
in every day,
every day,
every day, every way. You know that I'm gonna go and get mine. Every pay, every way, every day. Don't waste time. And I know I see you hating. Not surprised, motherfucker. I've been waiting. Microphone general, microphone criminal, brains full of raps, ad-lib minerals, literally though, libraries full of raps. You ain't got no jokes, you can't bust back. You don't even got a beat, no mic, no raps. And even if you did, you can't make no slaps. Remember what I said? Yo, remember what I said? Yo, I'ma bring it back like I'm trapped.
yo, I feel like I'm trapped. Like in 2015, I'ma bring it back. It feels like I'm in a cage, trapped like an animal, stuck in society, cause we are the cannibals. Open up your eyes and don't become the animal. The greedy ones burn in the world still turns. Every day we go broke, you better be sure. Yeah, you better be sure. Fucking crazy. Every day.
Every day, in every way, every day. Every day, in every way, in every day. Yo, remember when I said, yo, I'ma bring it back. Yo, I'ma bring it back. Yo, I'ma bring it back. Yo, I'ma bring it back.
Every day, 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 every day.